Oh, it popped it. He popped it when it just landed. Hello guys, PH here. Came to the pond. I brought my Daiwa Tatula SV because I put 20-pound braid on here. I usually use 30 and I want to try it. So we're gonna see what happens. It looks clear out in the middle, but this is all greened up. So I'm gonna tie on a frog and we'll see if we get anything. Alright guys, I tied on this river to sea frog. It's kind of the same color green as this scum. And we're gonna give this a whirl. Phew, this stuff stinks. See what happens. It also started raining when I came here. It's starting to rain right now. Oh, this stuff is pretty thick. So I don't know. It's not moving too much. Oh! There we go, baby. That was called a split pea soup popper. Right there. Holy crow, I got him good. Right in there, 2 hooks, perfect. Yeah, so far so good. Worked like a charm. Check out that popper. Let's let him go. It's raining now. It's starting to come down, so I'm going to lean a little bit forward so the camera don't get wet. Oh, something else popped it. They're popping, guys, but I don't like this rain. Let me see if I could get under these trees here. I don't know how deep this is here. It's a good sign they're popping. Oh yeah, that's good. If I bring the tip down lower and move this green stuff a little bit more. That's coming down like cats and dogs. I don't know what the hell that is, guys. I hope it ain't a frog. Ooh. I hope that ain't a frog. It's coming down. There it is, no frog. That's a nice one. That was no frog, guys. Woo! Way to go. So far, frog's working good. And this scum here. Check out that little beefy beauty here. A nice one. You probably can't see him good, but there he is. Let's let him go. Alright guys, it's raining like hell. But they're popping. So I'm going to try to stay. Hopefully I don't get any water on the lens, but I'm tilting these guys down low. This frog's barely breaking through. Oh! Aha! I missed them. Holy crap, guys, it's coming down. I'm going to try to stay. I'm getting soaked. I'm the only crazy sucker fishing in this. Maybe it'll clear up. I want to see if I can walk across that. See sun. check my lens. Pretty good. Peaks of sun's coming out. Come on, poppers, where are you? Oh, there he is. There's the popper. Woo! Weed popper. Holly, I'm getting soaked, guys, but I'm having the time of my life. It's fun. They're popping the frog through this duckweed. Just like, oh, dropping my rod in this stuff ain't good. That beauty right there. Let him go. They seem to be up against the edge. Oh, there he is. Woo! Get in here, you little beauty, you. One hook Charlie. Still got him. Right there. Duckweed split pea soup popper 9000. Look, guys, I don't know if you could see it. We got dual rainbows. That's awesome. And the hookup ratio on this river to sea frog is good as hell. I like it. This place is filling up mighty fast, guys. Here's the deal, guys. From that rain we had, it's coming in on this side really fast. It's stirred up. It's all Brahma water, like chocolate milk. And then on this side, it's coming out that pipe and it's filling up here. And this is actually filling up pretty fast. So I think the fish that were here, because the turbulence and the dirty water, they're gonna move out now. So we'll see what happens. Oop, not there. Whoa, that was a nice cast. Let me move over. Oh. Alrighty, guys, this side's getting that turbulence in it real quick from the rain. It's filling quick. I'm gonna try going somewhere else because I think it's stirring up and the fish moved out of this area. So let's hit. No, be on the edge. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's got off. Oh well, got one popper. All right, I'm in here. I don't know if I could even cast. It's gonna be hard. I'm in the deepest I could go with these waders. I got like 2 inches left to the top. Oh. Oh, got him. Oh, the jumper. There he is. Can't put my rod down. Got him good. The hookup ratio on this frog is really awesome. This river to sea one. Look how soft it is. Whoa. Well, there he is, guys. Let's let him go right in front of me. Oh! Oh! Oh yeah! Come on, stay on, brother. It's hard to get him. Oh. Stay on. Oh, missed him. There he is. Whew, this frog's working like a charm. Holy crow. Why didn't I use this frog ever before? River to sea, baby. Let's let this fat sucker go. Right in front of me. And there he goes. Give him some poppers. We're getting some poppers. Just hard to reach them here with the branches behind me. Try over here. These guys probably can't see, but you'll know if I get one. Oh, right in front of me. Oh, it's a McNasty. Thank God he got off. I hope he didn't ruin my frog. Whew. The last thing I wanted was a McNasty, guys. They wreak havoc on your frogs. You remember what happened to me last time I used frogs? I think I'm going in them. Holy crap, I'm like an inch away from my waders going under. Oh yeah, that's a spot right in between all that branches or whatever the hell. Oh! Yeah. Come on, baby. Get off. Oh, no. Ah, there he is, guys. Frog Popper 9000. And barely. Check out that beauty. Let's let him go. I knew there'd be one out in between them branches. Alrighty guys, I'm done with spot 2. Let's go hit spot number 3. Alright, we're at spot number 3. This looks really promising. So let's give it a go. Still using this green river to sea frog. I suggest any guys who like fishing hollow frogs, try to get one of these suckers. They work awesome. The hookup ratio is great. Gonna be getting dark here soon. Oh, that just ruined it. That just ruined it. Thank you. Thanks for just skimming in my spot and ruin it. I'm out of here. I'm out of this spot. That dumb goose skimmed right in and ruined it for me. Alright, entering spot number 4. Whoa. I'm just gonna toss this in right here. See if anything pops it. Sometimes they're right on the edge. Oh, starting to rain again maybe? Oh, that was a McNasty. Oh, lucky I didn't get him because I think he would have got my line. Yep, here comes the rain again. Bubbles came up from the water here. Woo! You don't want to smell it. Lucky they don't have smell-o-vision or you'd turn my video up. Oh, I missed it. Talking too much. I think there might be McNasties back here because now they're getting harder to hook. Oh, they must be McNasties. You could feel the difference. They're funny. They pop up in an arc like a circle at your bait, like a rainbow. Not a one. Oh, it popped it. He popped it when it just landed. Holy crow. Frog popper. There he is. Man, that's a skinny one. Oh, he's deformed too. He ate it good. Way down there. There he is, Mr. Deformo. Let's let him go. What could it be? I hope it's a little bass. Covered in grass. Man, he sucked that frog in like a beauty. There he is. Let's let this beauty go. Alright guys, that's 4 spots. I want to hit that other spot with the lily pads on the way home because I brought a whopper plopper. I want to try that there. I want to see, I got to put a fluorocarbon leader on there. I got some in my bag, I think. So let's go over there and see what happens. Alright guys, I stopped here really quick on the way home. I got the whopper plopper. I think I only caught like a 3-inch bass on this. I want to try it over here and see what happens. Let's see if this whopper plopper can get something. Alright, this ain't the ideal spot for a whopper plopper because all these weeds, but we're gonna try one. If I catch something on this whopper plopper, I'll be like so happy. It casts far. Oh! Ah, something popped the whopper plopper. Amazing! Never had something pop it before. What is it? It's a bass. Oh, and I'm stuck in the mud. And I gotta be careful with these hooks here. No, they're bad. Oh. Careful. Should I get my... There he is. That's the biggest bass I ever caught on this whopper plopper. Oh, it casts far. Phew, that freaking mud smells. That's something. Another little bass. Gotta be careful with these things. I think I need my pliers. Where the hell is it? There he is. Little bass. Whopper plopping popping. Alright, that was the last cast. I'm gonna meet you guys at the car. Alright guys, I came by the car because it's lit up. That's it for today. That river to sea frog is awesome. I swear almost every strike I caught a fish on it. I think I missed the one bass and the pickerels because they're kind of hard to get with the frogs. So if you want to try some good hollow bodied frog, I guess you try those out. It's the first time I used that color green. I always had like brown and orange and stuff, but that green color worked awesome. It feels a little softer than the shiny frogs they have. So if you want to try one out, river to sea, try that green one out. Hooks up real good. And then this was just the bonus with the whopper plopper here at the other spot. I only got 2 bass, but I never got nothing on this before. It's kind of hard to use in that area anyhow. But I had fun today. It was an awesome day. Caught a lot of them. It was great. Anyhow guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it as always. Leave me a thumbs up if you can. Hit that bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Leave me a comment because that's the best part. I like responding. And I'll see you next time. PH out.